All right, guys, so we got a 2019, this is actually a Freightliner Sprinter van, but it's the same thing as the Mercedes Sprinter van. We have that dash light that's coming on the car. I'm gonna start it up really quick so you can see. It might make me put my foot on the brake, of course. Here we go. Got a service, yep. So it says stop vehicle, leave running. So this light will turn on for the main 12-volt battery, but also there has an auxiliary battery, which is this little guy right here. This little unit right here, I think traditionally runs about $60 from Mercedes. And this little guy right here is causing this light to pop on. So, where do you access it? Where is the location of this auxiliary battery? It is right underneath this seat right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get access. So I moved it all the way forward. Actually gonna bring this up as well. Move the seat forward. There we go. Then we got this piece of foam back here. We're gonna move that to the side. It has a little cable that runs through it, and that's all right. And then we got the battery. Sits underneath here. So, oh, sorry. Actually, it's right here. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in so you can see it. That's the top of the battery right there. So we're gonna pull that guy out and we're gonna replace it with this new auxiliary battery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first disconnect the bottom cables, the positive and negative, and then we're just, it has these two little clips on either side. I'm gonna see if I can get in there better and show you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna disconnect right here. There's the positive. The negative is brown. This is kind of a German car thing. And it has these two little, on the side of it, you got to push it out just like that, because it has those clips that hold it in there. It's a little bit difficult to do. So you might have to use both hands, definitely. But yeah, you got to push out that guy, that side, and then you got to push that side out. And then this whole battery will come up and out. Stand by, folks. All right, so the easiest way of doing this is you can actually, if you come to this side over here, where my hand is, you can actually put your hand underneath the battery and you can push up on it. And then you move the tab over at the same time, and the whole battery will just pop up just like this. There we go. So we got, this is the new battery, this is the old battery, and all you do is you just slide it back in, you reconnect the positive and the negative, and yeah, it's that simple. Anybody can do it. But I'll tell you right now, as soon as I put this one in, I'll go ahead and I'll turn it on, and we'll see if the light will just automatically go off or if we have to reset it with the code reader. Stand by. Just like that, snap right back in. Now we need to grab, there's the positive. You hook the positive on, just like that. And we got the negative. There we go. And just like that, the battery's back in. We're gonna take this piece of foam right here, put it back into position. And we're gonna slide the seat back. Probably not that far. We're gonna put the go. Here's your old battery. And I'm gonna hop up here. gonna start this van up. Here we go. So it does appear that this light is still on. So it looks like, you know, I'm gonna leave it here running for just a bit, and then I'm gonna come back, see if it turns off. And if it doesn't turn off by that point, I'm gonna have to come in here, erase the codes with the scan tool, and yeah, get them reset that way. Your other option, what you can do to do a whole reset on the system, is you can actually go to the main battery on the Sprinter van, which is located under the floorboard right here. I have another video that you guys can see, but you can go in there, disconnect the 2 terminals from the battery, let it sit for 10 minutes, and that will do a full reset on the vehicle, and that should also turn off this light if you don't have access to a scan tool. If this helps you guys, like and subscribe.